Yay! Wait, really?
He's getting back up again. It's Mira. He must be close by.
Alien beam! You didn't see that coming!
I'll go and try to find him.
I'll try to, but he's beating me up! He's beating me up! Okay, I will turn Super Saiyan in a second. Okay, come on, just let me hate you! Wimp! You are such a wimp! You don't want to, don't want to...
I give up. I think how strong you really are. That's it. I quit.
Wait, what, Goku?
Gohan, it's your turn, son. What? What? That fool? What did it say? Been trying to get his own son killed? Of all the people you choose, Gohan. You can do it, Gohan. Me against hell.
Relax.
Take it, Gohan. Beat him and bring peace back to our world.
Okay.
You want to grow to be a scholar, right?
I don't know what does it have to do of bringing back the world in peace. I want to kick his butt right now with this. I'm just spamming!
Impressive, Gohan. I sense a very strong power in you. Pain might not be a complete flop. I'm actually looking forward to this. However, assuming Gohan would ever come close to beating me is probably a mistake.
We hate you, man.
I will kill you right now.
You're so mean.
Stop! No sense in fighting now.
What do you mean? I'm...
No, I don't want to fight. I don't want to kill you.
He destroyed the whole entire planet!
You have become really powerful. I can control my urge to fight.
Oh, wow. I don't have to go on speech. I'm sorry, Gohan. I'm sorry. He just like, what the heck? What the heck just happened? Did I fight somebody? Was I strong? It was like, what the heck just happened?
Good. You're living proof of my teaching excellence.
Okay, that just sounds weird.